In a few minutes, I will show you how to apply for the GCUB mobility program. So you can open up your browser. I am using the Google Chrome. Type GCUB. Click on the first option, and this is the home page of the GCUB. You have many information that you can explore, but since the objective of this video is to show you how to apply for the GCUB mobility program, you can change the language option to Portuguese. You have programas, and you have two options. The first is em andamento, programs that are still open, and you have encerrados, programs that have closed. So em andamento means that they are open for application. So let's click on em andamento. But in case you are an English speaker or a Spanish speaker, you have language options. So for English speakers, it could be a little bit difficult to locate programas because it's under software, and you have in progress or close. Clicking on in progress, it opens all the programs that are running. If you can see in the options that we have on the screen, we have different programs that are running. We can use this option. So you can see last day for registration, second edition of the GCUB International Mobility Program, GCUB-mob. Let's click on this. Now you can see last day for registration. Go down. You have information to read. I won't read that because I want to just show you how to do that. So you have link to the call of application. In case you want to read details of the application, you can open up this. There is a PDF file there with all the information that you need step by step. So you should take your time, read all the document, and make sure you do the right thing. So you can get more information in this second link. But here is the link for the application form. So this is the interesting part. You click on that, voila, there you are. So you have 4 language options. The first is English, the second is Spanish, the third is Portuguese, and the fourth is French.